Hello, my name is Annie. And today is July 6, 2023. Today's curated videos are about the very bad effects of sugar. Dr. Berg expounds on why you really do not want to consume sugar in the following videos. So let's get started. The video titled Sugar's Dark Side, Facts About Sugar You've Never Heard, delves deep into the controversial aspects of sugar consumption and its health implications. It highlights how the type and quality of carbohydrates intake, specifically sugar, can influence ketosis. When comparing the intake of 50 grams of carbohydrates from sugar-rich drinks to that derived from vegetables, the video emphasizes the differences in their impact on blood sugar levels and ketosis. Furthermore, it asserts the detrimental effects of fructose, a form of sugar, which is metabolized almost identically as alcohol in the liver, leading to various health issues, including potential diabetes risk, regardless of its low impact on blood sugar levels. The video also debunks the perceived healthiness of agave nectar due to its high fructose percentage. It criticizes the portrayal of the sugar refining process by the Sugar Association, stating that the refined sugar lacks the nutrients that protect one from potential damage from sugar and fructose, and that it is different from the natural sugar found in fruits. Key points. The amount of carbohydrate that will get one into ketosis is approximately around 50 grams, but it largely depends on metabolism. Different types of carbs are metabolized differently, making the quality of carbohydrate intake significant. Excessive intake of sugar-rich food or drinks can spike blood sugar levels. Fructose, comparably low on the glycemic index, is metabolized by the liver, similar to alcohol, leading to potential health issues. The refined sugar lacks essential nutrients that are found in natural sugar and protect against free radical damage. Agave nectar, despite erroneously being deemed healthier due to its impact on blood sugars, has a higher concentration of fructose, causing more liver problems than other sugars. Large amounts of sugar intake can lead to quick fat storage, which was initially a survival mechanism by our bodies. High glucose consumption can limit the absorption of vitamin C, leading to potential deficiencies. Dr. Berg's general consensus is that modern society's year-round consumption of fruits and sweeteners is unnatural compared to our ancestors' seasonal intake. In this video, Dr. Berg continues to caution about the harmful effects of sugar on the human body, specifically focusing on the damage it can potentially cause to the mitochondria, which plays a crucial role in metabolic diseases. It is highlighted that the majority of the diseases are metabolic, and mitochondrial dysfunction can lead to cardiovascular disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, kidney diseases, and liver diseases. He states that sugar, specifically fructose, is destructive to the mitochondria. Other sources of quick sugar such as refined carbohydrates and genetically modified beets are also harmful. High sugar consumption can cause various complications including a decrease in B1, thiamine, and zinc, promoting an increase in oxidative stress which injures cells. He suggests a low-carb diet and exercise to improve mitochondrial health while also highlighting the benefits of fasting, cold therapy, and exposure to sunday. He also warns against chronic stress, a lack of rest, alcohol, and suggests that other substances such as resveratrol, quercetin, green tea, and garlic can enhance mitochondrial health. The key points include: the majority of the diseases originate from metabolic issues, particularly from dysfunctional mitochondria, which are crucial in metabolic function. The consumption of sugar, especially fructose, quickly metabolized carbohydrates and GMO beet sugar can harm the mitochondria. The high amount of sugar in the body creates a hypoxic state within the mitochondria, causing oxidative stress and contributing to cell damage. Sugar obstructs the normal recycling process of damaged mitochondria, leading to numerous health problems. Chronic stress, lack of sufficient sleep, and alcohol consumption are detrimental to mitochondrial health. To boost mitochondrial health, specific practices can be implemented. These include a low-carb or ketogenic diet, regular exercise, fasting, cold therapy, and sun exposure. The consumption of specific nutrients, including resveratrol, quercetin, phytonutrients in green tea, garlic, and other essential nutrients, can enhance the well-being of mitochondria. We have taken 26 minutes of YouTube video and provided a summary of less than 6 minutes. You could probably read the summary faster than that. And you can always watch the video. If you enjoyed the content, you can try us out for free. Or for less than 30 cents per day, you get virtually unlimited video summaries each month. Your AI-generated summaries will be delivered in real time directly to your mobile phone with Tube on AI. You can stay up to date with your favorite influencers without spending hours of your time watching lengthy videos. Thank you for taking the time to review this curated video. We hope you found it useful. With Tube on AI you can unlock insights, embrace efficiency, and save time. Click the join button now and start getting back your life without missing the content you love.